husband Sanen and I jumped into education with a dream, and I think XSEED helped us put that dream into action. We wanted to start a school which would be different. We wanted children to take a more active role in the learning process. And I think right from the beginning, we felt truly connected with the philosophy of XSEED. Starting a new school is a huge, challenging project, and partnering with XSEED helped us right through from the implementation stage, settling down, and learning and growing together to become one of the schools of repute in Nagaland. And the focus throughout has always been on process and implementation. Some of the observations that we hear from parents are that children enjoy coming to school. They see huge improvements in their children, especially when it comes to confidence in interacting with people, confidence in speaking, and especially in their ability to think and write on their own. They are also very happy to see their children learning in different ways through different activities. And I think XSEED lesson plans pushes children and teachers to learn and think differently. We have had challenges, and one of them would be managing parent expectations when it comes to writing focus, especially in the lower grades. They feel that not much of writing happens, and there's a lot of anxiety when children move from kindergarten to grade 1. But what has worked well for us has always been to keep channels of communication open and closing the loop with parents, talking to them, explaining to them, and making them understand has worked well with us. The other key contributors to our success would be the role of the education coach, the training and retraining of teachers that happen every year by our XSEED resource person, the ongoing regular feedback and observation of teachers, not just by the education coach, but also by our internal XSEED leaders. And last but not the least, I think the complete alignment and commitment of the entire staff team, the school leaders, the owners, to the purpose of the school. And I think that has been the crucial driving force in pushing the school forward. We actually have a great team. We enjoy working together. We have a lot of fun, but we also work hard and we enjoy celebrating our successes.